గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ మీరు తాకట్టు పెట్టిన బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకు కొనబడను.
I'm just very privileged and very honored to be sitting here. Dharni sir, thank you for inviting me. I unfortunately have no friendship with him. This is the first time I've met him, and so I can only speak from a writer's point of view. I am an avid reader, and when I was offered the opportunity to launch a book, I grabbed it with both hands, because from being an avid reader to launching a book, it was almost a dream come true for me. And Dharni sir, for a person like me who has very limited attention span, has written an absolute page turner, as sir rightfully said. It's an engaging genre. Crime and suspense are right up my alley, and sir, with his writing skills, with the interest that he's kept me peaked in throughout the book, has done a bang-on job with the book. I will not reveal too much about the book, but I have read the book, and the thought that he put in behind writing that book is also very incredible, and kudos to him. All the very best to him, and thank you for having me here today. All the very best.